Hey y'all, XAN Biker here, and I have been having gas cap problems. My gas cap, and I've taken off and straightened out several times, has a hard time wanting to open. Key in there, and it just does not want to turn. And I've done twisted one key and had to get keys made. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this gas cap off. It takes a 4mm Allen or T handle, and I'm going to put the other one back on. So we're going to take and work on getting this off of here. That's it. Now, it's got all these screws in it, but you only take out 3. You take out the top one and these 2 bottom ones. Now this plate here only has 5 screws in it. The other one I got to replace it, same size, but it's got 7 screws, of which 4 are dummy screws. These come out very easily. I can do this because I've done it before. But like I said, every 4 or 5 months it gums back up on me. And I'm kind of getting tired of it. Wish this thing was magnetic. That'd look a whole lot better. Kind of pull them right on out of there. Get that out of there. There we go. That up. Maybe this will come in. That's got me curious as to whether the other ones will work. Now, hang on. That is stuck. Those 2 were dummies. Hang on. Okay, it came off, but it was not pretty. And, yeah. Kind of tested my religion there for a minute. And this other one, let's get right. On there, but it does not. So they said that would fit, and it doesn't. So this has got to go back. I'm not going to be riding for several days. Well, that's Amazon for you. You get what you pay for. All right. Until next time. Okay, y'all, I'm back and it's another day. Before you dig into a project, make sure you have the right gas cap or the right replacement part. I didn't. I took my old gas cap off and got the other one out, and it was the wrong part. That was on me. As some people on Instagram told me that I should have checked it first. But anyhow, I got the new part. It is the right part. Let me go over here and get it. Some of the keys. Take it out of the bag. All right. It is the right part. Get this little rubber in there. Got to make sure you have your rubbers. Give me just a second. Okay. Had to put the little rubber piece in there and make sure you always have your rubber. All right. And it fits. Yes. Get this little piece down here. It goes down in here. Why that is there, I have no idea, but it holds that piece in place. Come on, hit the hole. There we go. There we go. All right. The longer screws here. Okay. 3 of them. Drop them in. 1. 2. 3. And screw them down. There. Come on. All right, just a second. Okay, got them all started in the holes. Tighten them down. Ugga dugga. Ugga dugga. Ugga dugga. All right. Now, before we take and close it up, we're going to do one more thing. Make sure the key fits. And it does. Okay. Hang on, something. Okay, guys, it's on there. It works. It opens. It's the right part. You need to hire me a new cameraman. There, opens like it should. That's what I wanted. So, hey, until next time, this is XAN Biker. Remember, keep the rubber down and your faith up. And when something gives you problems, step away, calm down, ponder it in your head. The solution will come. Again, till next time. Catch y'all later. Thank you. Like and subscribe.